I am trying to learn this vowels grammar. How? If I don't understand anything. Past continuous tense. We use was or were plus verb with ing ending. It's better to watch a cartoon.
The children are at school. Suddenly, the fire alarm rings.
Oh no! Miss, that was the fire alarm.
Okay, everybody, please go out to the playground calmly.
Everyone meets in the playground.
Hi, Daisy. I was in the art room. I was painting. What were you doing?
I was playing hockey in the gym. I tripped over my hockey stick.
Liam, you've got food all over you.
I was in the canteen. I was having some pasta and tomato sauce for lunch.
What happened to you, Jake?
I was in the science lab with Mr. Boom. We were doing an experiment. Something exploded, and Mr. Boom nearly fell over. He pulled the fire alarm by mistake.
Mr. Boom comes out to the playground.
Are you okay, Mr. Boom?
Yes, don't worry. The science lab didn't catch fire after all.
We were lucky the school didn't catch fire.
Yeah.
I am happy now. I am going to the English lesson with Val. See you later.